Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Update KB5046617 fails to install in Windows 11. So there might be various reasons KB5046617 fails to install include corrupt system files, lack of disk space, or conflicts with other existing applications, unstable connections, or misconfigured DNS settings. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa troubleshoots, and then under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa troubleshoots and under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. At dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong settings. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services and services local, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung background intelligent transfer service. So select mo lang yan and kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And next step, so dito sa kanyang properties, so dito lang sa general and dito lang sa startup type. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa background intelligence transfer service, and next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung Microsoft Store install service. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then i-locate mo lang dito yung Microsoft Store install service. So same, so select and double click. And dito lang sa general and then dito sa startup type. So kailangan naka-automatic ito. And dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, and next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung cryptographic. So, and then, kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung cryptographic service. So, same, select and double click. And then dito sa kanyang properties, so kailangan mo lang dito sa startup type. So, dapat naka-automatic ito. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung apply and click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, and the next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung Windows Installer, okay? So, scroll lang tayo and then hanapin natin dito yung Windows Installer. So, same, click and double click. And then dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa general. So, dapat nakaselect dito yung automatic. And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung service status. I-click mo lang dito yung start and then wait natin. And dito sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung okay in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so same ulit dito sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang si start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update KB504-6617 fails to install in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.